Nurturing nature, tips for eco-friendly plant fertilization. Gardening is not just about cultivating beautiful landscapes, it's also about nurturing the environment. As concerns over environmental sustainability continue to grow, adopting eco-friendly practices in every aspect of our lives, including gardening, becomes crucial. One area where we can make a significant positive impact is in the way we fertilize our plants. In this article, we will explore eco-friendly plant fertilization methods and tips to help you nurture both your garden and the planet. 1. Composting, nature's nutrient cycle. One of the most eco-friendly ways to fertilize your plants is by harnessing the power of compost. Composting allows you to recycle organic kitchen scraps, yard waste, and other biodegradable materials into nutrient-rich soil amendments. This not only reduces waste sent to landfills but also provides your plants with the vital nutrients they need. Compost enriches the soil with organic matter, improving its water retention and microbial activity, making it a healthier habitat for your plants. 2. Choose organic fertilizers. When opting for store-bought fertilizers, prioritize organic options. Organic fertilizers are made from natural materials like animal manure, bone meal, and compost. They release nutrients slowly, providing a steady supply to your plants while minimizing the risk of nutrient runoff into waterways, which can harm aquatic ecosystems. 3. Practice precision feeding. Over-fertilization can be harmful to your plants and the environment. Utilize precision feeding techniques by following recommended dosages on fertilizer labels and adhering to a proper fertilization schedule. This not only ensures your plants receive the right nutrients, but also prevents excess nutrients from leaching into the soil and groundwater. 4. Incorporate nitrogen-fixing plants. Consider planting nitrogen-fixing crops like legumes in your garden. These plants have a unique ability to capture atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into a form that other plants can absorb. This natural process reduces the need for synthetic nitrogen fertilizers, which can contribute to greenhouse gas emissions during production. 5. Rainwater harvesting. Collecting rainwater in barrels or tanks can serve as an eco-friendly watering and fertilizing method. Rainwater is free of the chemicals often found in tap water and provides your plants with a gentle and natural source of hydration. You can further enhance its nutrient content by diverting rainwater through compost before using it to water your plants. 6. Mulch for nutrient retention. Applying mulch to your garden beds helps retain soil moisture and reduce the need for frequent watering. Organic mulch, like wood chips or straw, also decomposes over time, adding nutrients to the soil. This natural fertilization process enhances your plant's growth while minimizing the need for additional fertilizers. 7. Support pollinators. Encourage pollinators like bees and butterflies in your garden by planting native flowers and avoiding the use of chemical pesticides. These insects play a crucial role in fertilizing many of your plants naturally. A thriving pollinator population can lead to better yields without the need for excessive fertilization. Supporting pollinators is a critical aspect of eco-friendly gardening. Pollinators, such as bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, are essential for the reproduction of many plants, including fruits, vegetables, and flowers. They transfer pollen from one flower to another, facilitating fertilization and the production of seeds and fruits. Here's a more detailed exploration of how you can actively support pollinators in your garden. 1. Plant a diverse range of flowers to attract and support pollinators. Create a diverse and colorful garden. Different pollinators are attracted to various flower colors, shapes, and scents. By planting a variety of flowers, you can provide food sources for a broad spectrum of pollinators. 2. Choose native plants. Native plants are well adapted to local pollinators and can be crucial for their survival. Native plants often offer nectar and pollen in the right quantities and at the right times, aligning with the life cycles of local pollinators. 3. Avoid chemical pesticides. Chemical pesticides, including insecticides and herbicides, can harm pollinators. Instead, employ natural pest control methods, like introducing beneficial insects or practicing companion planting to deter pests. 4. Provide shelter and nesting sites. Many pollinators, such as solitary bees, need nesting sites. You can create homes for them by leaving areas of your garden undisturbed, setting up bee houses, or providing piles of branches and leaves. 5. Avoid frequent mowing. Reduce the frequency of lawn mowing to allow wildflowers to grow, providing additional forage for pollinators. Consider designating a part of your yard as a wildflower meadow to encourage native plant growth. 6. Offer water sources. Pollinators require water for hydration, especially in hot weather. Create shallow water features like bird baths or small ponds with stones or floating platforms to help pollinators access the water safely. 7. Educate yourself. Learn about the pollinators in your region and their specific needs. Understanding their life cycles and habits can guide your gardening choices and practices. 8. Support conservation efforts. Get involved with local conservation organizations focused on pollinators. You can participate in citizen science projects, advocate for pollinator-friendly policies, or donate to relevant causes. 9. Reduce light pollution. Artificial lighting can disrupt the behavior of nocturnal pollinators like moths and bats. Minimize outdoor lighting at night or use fixtures designed to reduce light pollution. 10. Teach and share. Educate your family, friends, and neighbors about the importance of pollinators and how they can contribute to their protection and preservation. Encourage others to create pollinator-friendly gardens too. Teaching and sharing knowledge about the importance of pollinators and how to support them is a crucial aspect of promoting eco-friendly gardening practices. Here's a more detailed exploration of how you can educate and inspire others. 1. Host workshops and events. Consider organizing workshops, seminars, or garden tours to educate your local community about the role of pollinators. Share your experiences and knowledge about creating a pollinator-friendly garden. These events can provide hands-on learning opportunities and inspire others to take action. 2. School and community outreach. Collaborate with local schools, community centers, or youth organizations to offer educational programs. Engage children and young adults in learning about pollinators through interactive activities, presentations, and even hands-on gardening projects. 3. Create educational materials. Develop brochures, pamphlets, or digital resources that explain the importance of pollinators, their life cycles, and how individuals can contribute to their conservation. Make these materials available at local libraries, garden centers, and community bulletin boards. 4. Online presence. Utilize social media, blogs, or websites to share information, gardening tips, and success stories related to pollinators. Create engaging content, such as videos or infographics, that highlight the beauty and importance of these creatures in your garden. 5. Community gardens. If your community has a communal gardening space, advocate for the inclusion of pollinator-friendly plants and practices. Organize workshops or workdays to collectively enhance these spaces for pollinators and educate fellow gardeners. 6. Collaborate with conservation organizations. Partner with local conservation organizations and beekeeping associations to amplify your efforts. They may have resources, experts, or existing outreach programs that can support your educational initiatives. 7. Demonstration gardens. If possible, create a pollinator-friendly demonstration garden in a public space. This living example can showcase how pollinator-friendly gardening can be beautiful, sustainable, and beneficial for local ecosystems. 8. Volunteer for pollinator projects. Participate in or initiate volunteer projects focused on pollinator conservation in your community. These could involve planting pollinator gardens in public areas or maintaining existing ones. 9. Advocate for pollinator policies. Engage with local government and advocate for pollinator-friendly policies. Encourage the reduction of pesticide use in public spaces, the promotion of native plantings, and the creation of pollinator corridors in urban planning. 10. Network and collaborate. Connect with other gardeners, conservationists, and educators who share your passion for pollinators. Building a network of like-minded individuals can lead to more significant collective efforts. Remember that education is a powerful tool for creating long-lasting change. By teaching and sharing your knowledge about pollinators and eco-friendly gardening, you can inspire a broader community to appreciate and protect these vital creatures while fostering a sustainable and biodiverse environment. Conclusion: nurturing nature in your garden isn't just about creating a visually appealing landscape, it's about fostering a sustainable and eco-friendly environment. By embracing practices like composting, using organic fertilizers, and conserving resources,